Ner malaken yam kana diala content barwanya lingwa sama kan online TV channel biya kamal. Te kon ga jom kon lingwa sama jo me be ka kiir mayardit president dung South Sudan bana jo me bana jalinkel ka do badan en charai ke je. Bana mandana chalat gwasam bana jaling charai ka chenge dan ke chenge pan shanka bangwan ka pai baro ron kina dangraw widi jandangraw widi dich charai ka queen independent ka gora jeno baja nywaga yekel gwasmene en jo wedan inshallah kiir mayardit no ke 14th anniversary of South Sudan independent President Salva Kiir mayardit chala do nene ajene ya jaroden wo ba mal bejenong ba wej baja gang ka bana baka gang ajene shana gorno bina nyoko loy kor ajene sheje gorno teram de loy kor me de mayle yot ajo Salva Kiir kwene jeya on the 14th anniversary of South Sudan's independence. President Salva Kiir mayardit spoke to the nation and promised that his government will continue to keep peace and protect the people. He said peace is the strong foundation for South Sudan's future. Peace is and will always be our foundation. I keep my promise to you, said President Kiir during his Independence Day speech. He said his government is fully committed to a ceasefire in all parts of the country. Kiir mayardit de jenisha ngok and go chama charge bu nyoko mi yat keja. Jenisha ma charge bu yot re wika South Sudan. Gore jeno ba mesi de kele ba kwini bana kulo rach. Ajenishi kume de chama charge bu yot. Ajenishi roda yach and o tele manyu ba yot re wika South Sudan. Ajenishi Nuer bu dwaj mach no. One we. Again, my government is committed to a full ceasefire across the country. No gun shall silence the voice of peace, he added. Again, kuma de charo yajano tela kurum betuok. Again, tela manyu ba yot atu gantama. Again, tela mach ma ba yot bitana maltin. Again, jordana gore no de queen South Sudanese scale. President Kiir said, protecting the life of citizens is one of his top priorities. Okay, anyway, let's just listen to his speech. A gentleman yaman tere sharre ke leuke mala ledenisyang. A general beji South Sudan dial baka gang. A general gang kan dial, a general wewe kamaganga South Sudan keleo. We will continue to secure the communities and protect every citizen, regardless of where they live. Our people deserve to live without fear, he said. He also spoke about the revitalized peace agreement on the resolution of the conflict in South Sudan, saying it is a country road to peace and development. And paleka kwer madan and chalat ko ban jakulo lat katong na the math. He also promised to unify the army and prepare the country for peaceful election. He said that we will unify our forces. We will have a peaceful, credible election, and we will not go back to war. President Salva Kiir mayardit said. His message was meant to give hope to the people of South Sudan and show the international community that the government is serious about building a united, peaceful, and democratic country. Okay, kwana ben ka kon kati chala Kiir mayardit. Ngaje know all these things ke kaini. I know you know also. Kiir mayardit ene shamal chairman in Pelmeno belaro malame ba chubgada. No. Kiir kaje ne kai keli utela gandel ke kaini gandel, okay? Gwe mlad yeno e maitel manje ba yo no pa na nangi pana dor Nueri. Mal bukulu ben wenandian. Okay? Agenda peace is and will always be our foundation. And all Mali jena nyaman tetini jen men jak South Sudan ko beben batikel but che peace menong de 14 years tela mal mi chenong an kiir mayardit tinare shuke medit no kwale yo tela milade gwa medong de ko la ro ci kiir to ci development ci jenong ci na ci galwak kiir tel melat agenda my government is committed to full ceasefire across the country e ci kumre ro de yaja no tela many bala yore wi ka South Sudan la de jom pan kiir mayardit dama gor jeno bi mal beben cere ma ngay kondiala e kiir mayardit loin Dr. Riek Machar sirkamen cha demand a South Sudanese ko gor jeno bi mal beben e Dr. Machar lonya ba kula wore lenatin ko kien ladan jeno bi mal beben but without that Dr. Riek Machar tell me shale mal kira mal nonga ka loin de ka Dr. Riek Machar then ba kula rajeno ba mal be tuwano so ko poinde tell mal mengeje kiir mayardit this we can say name ke roine loro bang ke roine kaini ke roine lana ka bang tel base mokaten tel kalot okay antamre duaran kone kon shalen wari shush kon long ke nga e kiir de ke liu cha jak dor nuari e kiir jagamo naga dana naga nuari gwe jeno bunware bika bet banwer ba jawdien ba jagak ko tel ram bika luak chirka men chenwaren kon shunkel gaje shiga bet ba taramoro yanga kel so jo shalinga ka kiir mayardit riude kach jelat ka social media jajelas ka radio chalat ka media nan wana no kiir mayardit che mal che je lat ano che South Sudan che je buloy kor kwala lane kedi ajene lat je bon wo bana be ka gang ko wala gang ka nga okay dong nak de nuer ko gui je no nuer ba nak ci nuer gen bi nyen ke kumre dong ajende lar no ba wuj ba je gang South Sudan tel wuj mu rien me nyenya je gero nyene ken kan ware so don kiir mayardit me e tare kay kelio his message de ko na chole bang wi ka bang ko jen mo gor jen obi mal beben espela yo leader sa kalonya aloin Dr. Riek Machar buna kulat ko ci mal ce denok kie ci goro bu kumba taga mal kiir mayardit ka jom de me ci nyokalat gwasame ajenne di ala woje kan di ala jene kan de ci kuma yar neti woje re kuma ka kan kwar ko yen ka nen woje ga men pol nang ala gardan la chief defense me pay wo gwada me cin wari ga nak kan me ci kira wodoro nang nuare ajenne point de ce je ci galat jenne di ala woje ga ne de sha gorno te mal de tere wi ka South Sudan so ko kuje mo ajenne kan jojo tone ci kiir mayardit te jomo ce jalat gor jeno de kon chong gwada me kiir message en wo te mal mitin tel mishale mal tilere gan diale ke kayni e kay ke liu tare kay ke liu mal be benen mi ce Dr. Riek Machar ce ko no nyre yena biate ga mal bana jigale rodien chuje peru jono jin bishonkel ke Nuer online TV channel please ko subscribe gwazamo ka ku notification bell ko jetwany ko jin beler TV kan chamala chupaji biate ga mal bye bye